Okay, so we have read that there is a boy named Velu, right? And he is 11-year-old. Got it? And then where is he right now? He is at Chennai Central, right? He is at Chennai station. Why so? Because he ran away from his house. Got it? And why he ran away from his house? What was the reason behind his running away from his house? Leaving his house, leaving whatever he was experiencing there because of his father, because his father used to beat him. That is why he left his house. Got it? And there in his village, he used to live in the village. Okay, so in his village, he was not used to of the things what he was experiencing now in the city. Got it? I hope you can compare that the life in the city and the village is different. Not nowadays, but yes, earlier it used to be different. अभी भी है, लेकिन अब काफी फर्क पड़ गया है. Earlier the difference was very, you can say it was very much or very great difference. Is it okay? So now what happened then, when he was at that station, he was hungry, he was feeling he was his stomach was just, his stomach was squeezing because of hunger. So just he was just waiting, he was feeling miserable. That time a girl, she approached. She was of his age only, means she was also around 11, 10 or 11. So she approached him and she directly asked him that whether he had run from his house. So that time first he was very shy. He was not able to talk to the girl, or he was hesitating, right? But later on, what happened? The girl, she was quite active, and she was very kind also when she realized that the boy was hungry, that Velu was hungry. So she offered to find or to get food for him. Then what happened? Then the girl started walking away, and Velu, he also started following the girl because he was so hungry, and the girl promised food. So that is why he just, what he did, he started following the girl. Now what happened? When he was following the girl, it was described properly that what happened, the city was crowded, traffic jams and all, vehicles, and Velu had never experienced these things. Okay, so he was a little uncomfortable with this. But as the girl, she was used to of this traffic and jams. So what she was doing, she was just continuously walking, right? And she from few, you can say, incidents, we can come to know that the girl was also very kind of, you can say, very uh, light mood. You can say she represents the light mood. She has a good sense of humor, right? She has a good sense of humor. वो बार बार एक comments मारती जा रही थी, joke करती जा रही थी, that like when he was not able to cross the road, so she said that, what do you think you are doing, grazing cows? If you stand around here in the middle of the road like that, you will be chutney. This is a kind of humor, means वो, she was also not in a very good situation, not in a very good condition, but at the same time she was very kind. She offered the food, and then she was also very you can say supportive also. उसे साथ लेकर जा रही है and साथ साथ में मजाक भी करती जा रही है. Is it okay? So then what happened? Then the girl, she then as they were walking, so suddenly they saw, they were over a bridge, and when the girl, they stood there, so the girl pointed towards a building, and that building was Central Jail, right? Velu was not able to read English, but there was board in Tamil also. Okay, so he read that Tamil portion. He was not able to read English, so he read that Tamil signboard, and then he came to know that it was Central Jail. So the girl said that we are on page number 11. So the girl said that be careful, otherwise you will be counting bars there. You have to be very careful, okay? Otherwise you will be put in the jail. Then what happened? Velu squinted and read the Tamil sign. Central jail. Why? I haven't done anything wrong. You don't have to do anything. Just don't get caught. That's all. So she said that you are not supposed to do anything wrong, but just don't get caught. पकड़े मत जाना. कुछ गलत करने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. अगर तुम कुछ गलत ना भी करोगे, still they will catch you and they'll put you in the jail. So it is better not to get caught. Okay, it is you can say difficult task to escape police every time. Got it? Maybe the reason maybe the child labor, and the police already know that the children, they run from their house, and that is why they used to catch them. Moreover, sometimes these rag pickers or beggars, they also are the big cause of accidents. वो अचानक से आ जाते हैं and near traffic lights. So that's why maybe she was saying this. Then what happens? Then what does she mean? Velu wondered. Velu, he was a kind of you can say Bholu Ram. He was not able to understand anything. First, he left his house, right? घर छोड़ के आ गया. 11 years. Still, he left his house. He was hungry. He started following the girl. He didn't know the girl, but he started following the girl. Then what happened now? When the girl, she made this comment that you will be in jail, so be careful. So he was not able to understand this. What happened? And he said that, what does she mean? Velu wondered. Meanwhile, the girl was already heading down the bridge with the sack on her shoulder. What was in it? He had seen her putting plastic cups into it at the station. So he was wondering that what's in that bag, because he had seen the girl putting the plastic cups into that bag. Okay, what do you think? What was the profession of the girl? What was she doing? Why was she picking the, you can say, plastic and all? What was the reason? Why was she doing so? Was it okay to earn money? Yes, she was doing so to earn money. Definitely. Yes. Okay. Do you have any word for this? Yes, she used she collect plastic cups and all these things, and then she sell. Maybe she sells these things, right? Anything else? Have you ever seen such kind of people, those who collect plastics and they have the bag on their shoulder? Yes. Labor. Okay, she was okay. Railway stations. You have seen them on railway stations. Child labor. Okay, let's see. Then what happened? Then she said, then the boy, Raddi, not Avni, that Raddi, they, what they do, वो तो घरों में आते हैं जो रद्दी collect करते हैं ना, they come and then they collect from the house. But this, there are people who just walk on the roads or wherever, then they, from the garbage, they collect these things. So also it is a kind of this work only. Then what happened? Then the boy, he was curious. Velu was curious to know what is there in the bag and why was she collecting the plastic cups. So what happened? He asked, what are you carrying in that bag? Things, bottles, paper. So she said that I carry things like bottles and paper. Velu wondered what she was doing with them, but he felt shy to ask any more questions. So he was not satisfied with the answer because he wanted to know more. But as he was shy, so he didn't ask any question. Then what happened? It was still morning, but the sun blasted down on the tar and Velu's bare feet burned. So he was without any chappals or shoes, right? He was bare feet, बिना किसी चप्पल वगैरह के था. And definitely you can connect that the weather in this summer season, how hot it is and how difficult it would be to walk bare feet on that roads. Okay, so it was not like walking on a mud road. He was soaked with sweat. So maybe in his village, as they have mentioned, in his village, the roads were not made up of tar, right? But they were of mud. मिट्टी की बनी हुई roads होती होंगी, तो it is easy to walk on the mud road. वो ज्यादा गर्म नहीं होती, but the roads that are made of tar and जो भी cements वगैरह डलता है, that is very hot. He was soaked with sweat. He tried hard to walk in the shade and keep up with the girl at the same time. She walked really fast. How far was the food? He was so hungry, and then sweat, hotness, and everything. Because of that, he was just asking this in his own mind, that how far away the food was the food. Then almost an hour of walking, एक घंटा चलने के बाद, right after almost an hour of walking, they stopped in front of a big building. Shri Raja Rajeshwari Prasanna Kalyana Mandapam, read Velu slowly. So this was the sign. Okay, definitely now it was written in Tamil only. That is why he was able to read it. Okay, so a sign with letters made of flowers said groom. It means that was the place, palace. You can say it was a kind of palace. So groom, JV, Vinayagan, bride, Rani. These are the names of groom and bride. Velu stared at the big cars parked outside. One of the cars had a flower garland and roses taped onto it. I hope you know this. हमारे यहाँ पे भी ये होता है, cars को decorate करते हैं जो जिसमें दुल्हन ने जाना होता है. So the girl looked around, pulled one off quickly and stuck it in her hair. After all, she is a girl, so she liked to get dressed up and she wanted to look beautiful. That is why what she did, she just pulled one flower from that car and stuck it in her hair. Then what happened? Come on, she said. Are we going to eat here? Asked Velu, looking at the huge hall and the people inside. Velu, he thought that they are going to eat in that palace. So he said that, are we going to eat here in that palace only? So in that hall, hopes, said the girl, shaking her thumb under his nose. So she said that, I hope. Then she led him behind the hall. But what happened? That the girl led him, she took him behind the hall. Hall ke piche. There was a big garbage bin overflowing with rubbish. So there was garbage bin. Two goats were standing on the pile, fighting for a banana leaf. A cloud of flies burst around their legs. I think this is the common scene wherever the garbage is collected. So you can see a garbage bin was there, right? And the common scene that not dogs. This time they have written about two goats were there, and then flies all around. There was a rotten smell in the air, means bad smell. The girl picked up a squishy banana and held it out to Velu. So what the girl did, she searched for something and then she held a squishy banana that is crushed, already crushed banana, and then she held it out to Velu. उसने उसे Velu को दिया to eat. Here's your food. Velu was shocked. Are we going to eat their leftovers? So he was shocked. It means while he was there at his house, at his home, there he used to get proper food, right? No doubt his father used to beat him, but again, Velu used to earn, okay? And then they used to have proper food, not the leftovers, okay? So here what happened, that he now got the leftover. Then Che, what do you think I am? A dog? I only take untouched food. So the girl said, no, I'm not a dog. What do you think? Why are you saying that I'm going to eat the leftovers, or we are going to eat the leftovers? हम बचा कुचा खाना नहीं खाएंगे. Means उनका झूठा खाना नहीं खाएंगे. She said that I am going to take only untouched food. जो पूरा का पूरा हो, we are going to eat that. Here, some more. Catch. She threw him a vada. Means that vada was also untouched. Untouched means किसी ने लिया होगा but खाया नहीं, तो पूरा का पूरा पड़ा हुआ था. So she threw him a vada. Velu looked at it with distaste. So means Velu, he was not used to these things, so he was not feeling comfortable. He was just looking at those things with distaste. Come on, hero, eat it. You think I like it? I told you I'll find you something to eat. Don't think I have money to buy food for you. So the girl, she judged, she came to know from the expressions that Velu was not happy with all these things. So she said, okay, she called him hero. She said that, okay, what do you think? I like to eat like this. But she said that I had promised you to provide food, but don't think that I have money to buy food for you. Okay, she said that मैंने promise जरूर किया था खाना दूंगी. It means I'll provide you food, but I had not promised you to buy. Okay, means मैं तुम्हें खरीद के दूंगी. That wasn't my promise. Definitely. And she said that I don't have money to buy food. You would better eat what you get until you have your own money. So she said that it is better for you to eat whatever you get from the garbage bins until you start earning your money. Velu hesitated, but his stomach squeezed him again. So means he was so hungry. जब हम भूखे होते हैं तो अजीब सी पेट में आवाज भी आ रही होती है और पेट ऐसा लग रहा होता है ना, पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है पेट के अंदर. So again this happened. So he gulped down the banana and vada. So he ate the things that he found there. His stomach felt better immediately. He could have eaten at least 10 times more, but the girl could find only one more banana, which she ate herself. So what he ate just a banana and a vada, and one banana was eaten by the girl. Okay, he was still hungry, but now at this point of time, little satisfied. Just imagine the situation and just compare yourself. How lucky you all are. It is too early. They have only eaten tiffin. So girl said, it is too early. This is too early. They had only eaten tiffin. Eaten tiffin means this is just their snacks time. That is why we are not able to get proper food here. Abhi wo aur khayenge aur waste karenge, then we could have more food. So she said that it is just their snacks. So that is why we haven't got enough food. So she said, if you are still hungry, you will have to wait for them to finish lunch. You can wait if you want. I have to work. I'm going. She picked up a couple of bottles from the heap and threw it into her sack. Then she walked off. So she said that if you are still hungry, wait here till they have their lunch and then you can have more food. So she said that I have to leave because I have to work. Then she walked off. Velu panicked. Now suddenly he was shocked and he was panicked. वो डर गया. He was afraid. He realized that if the girl left him, he had no idea where he was and what to do. The place was new. So that is why he panicked. It was better to stick to her. She seems to know her way around. He ran after her again. So he decided to follow the girl. He decided to be with the girl only. Hey, he called. He did not even know the girl's name. Hey, what is your name? He asked, hurrying behind her. So he didn't know the name of the girl. So he asked her, what is your name? She stopped and turned around. Oh, so you have been following me around without even knowing my name? So this was a comment. Again, in humor, मजाक में किया हुआ comment that you are following me without even knowing my name. So she said, Jaya. So the name of the girl is Jaya. I'm not following you. What then? Who got you food? The girl is very clever and she gives answer very quickly. So she said, okay, if you are not following me, then what? Who got you food? Khana kisne diya? Can I come with you? Where are you going? Come if you want. This bag is full. I have to go home to get another one. So where was she going? She was going to her house. Got it? This is again, see the situation, how bad situation, how miserable they feel, but still they enjoy. The girl represent that yes, she didn't like to do these things. She didn't like to eat from that garbage bin, but still she is doing all things and at the same time enjoying also. So let's start. Can Velu read Tamil and English? How do you know? Be quick. Start giving you answers. Velu could not read signboards in English. Yes, but he read Tamil. Correct. Velu cannot read English, but he can read Tamil. So that is why he read the board. He read the board. He read Central Jail written in Tamil. Correct. Correct, Avni. Correct, Paramjeet. He could not read English, but he could read Tamil. He read Central Jail written in Tamil. If you are not careful, you will soon be counting bars there, the girl said. What is she referring to? What is she referring to? She is referring to central jail. Correct. Correct, Prabal. She is referring to jail. Correct. Central jail. What does she mean when she says, if you are not careful? Say, she says something a little later, which means the same. Find that sentence. Yes, correct, Paramjit. Just not get caught. That's all. That was the important thing. That it was not important that you have to do something wrong to go behind the bars. But if you just get caught, then also it is a big problem. Then also you will be behind the bars. And the line that she, another line that she said was, "You don't have to do anything. Just don't get caught. That's all." Is it okay? You don't have to do anything. Just don't get caught. That's all. Where did the girl lead Velu to? Yes, where did the girl lead Velu to? Correct. Marriage hall. Correct. Marriage hall. To a marriage hall. What did they get to eat? And there, what did they get to eat? Something special. They got some food, right? They got some food from the garbage bin. Food, you can mention the name. That is banana, one squeezed, right? One squishy banana and a vada for Velu. And the girl also ate a banana. Right, correct. Leftover, right. It was the leftover. 2 bananas and a vada. Correct. 2 bananas and a vada from the garbage bin. Now, what work did she do? Think of a one-word answer. Can you think? Child labor, no, Anmol, she was a rag picker. Rag picker. Have you ever heard about this? Rag picking, R-A-G, rag. सुना कभी? सुना? Okay. Yes, she was a rag picker. Okay, Anvay, if you are not careful, you will soon be counting bars there, the girl said. What is she referring to? She is referring to central jail. Yes, Paramjit, garbage picker. But we have a particular word for this, rag picker, so that is why I said this. And next is, what does she mean when she says, if you are not careful? This means that if you are not careful and if you are not able to escape the policemen, then you would be in trouble. Then they would catch you and put you behind the bars. Means doing wrong is not important. The important thing is to skip or to escape the policemen. उनके हाथ नहीं आने चाहिए हम लोग. Otherwise, they'll catch us and they'll put us behind the bars. Because definitely that is the one kind, they are doing something illegal. Is it okay? Okay, Anvay? And the line that represents this is, you don't have to do anything, just don't get caught, that's all. Next part, third part. Jaya and Velu walked along the roads for half an hour until they came to a bridge across a dirty trickle of water. There was dirty trickle of water, so they came across that. छोटा सा पानी का वहां पे था, गंदे पानी का नाला, you can say. Okay, we are in Triplicane now. See, that's Buckingham Canal, said Jaya. Again, it was a kind of comment, मजाक किया हुआ, that this is our canal. Okay, otherwise what was it? वो एक गंदे नाला था, and she said that it is Buckingham Canal. Velu stared. This was a canal? Again, how foolish, how stupid Velu was. He wasn't smart boy, okay? Near some puddles of water was a row of the strangest huts he had ever seen. So now he saw strangest huts. Why the huts were strange? Let's see. They were built out of all sorts of things. Metal sheets, tires, bricks, wood and plastic. They stood crookedly and looked as if they would fall any moment. Why he found the huts strange? Because they were made up of metal sheets, tires, bricks, wood, plastic. Okay, and they were not straight, so it looked like that these huts would fall down any moment. One more thing is here. I hope you have also seen these types of houses near railway station. Here in railway station, Kent railway station or city railway station. Then, is this where you live? These houses are strange, said Velu. In our village, the houses are made of mud and palm leaves. So it means he had a good life comparatively. Okay, he had a good life. So what he said, that while he found the houses strange, because in his village he had seen the houses made up of mud and palm leaves. That is why he found the city houses very strange. Jia went around to one of the huts and dumped her sack outside, and then she picked up an empty one. Let's go. She turned to Velu and gave him a shove. Shove means push. At least help me now. Here, wear these and come with me. She threw him a pair of old shoes without laces and pushed a sack and a stick into his hands. So again, this shows her kindness. She knew that he was barefoot. Okay, so what she did, she threw a old pair of old shoes and then also asked him to do some work. Velu was confused. What work did she want him to do with these things? The only work he had ever done was on the landowner's farm, weeding and taking cows out to graze. So this was the simple work that he used to do. गांव ये जो गायें वगैरह है इन्हें चराने के लिए ले जाना और या फिर रिमूव करना फील्ड में से ग्रास को. So this was the work that he used to do. Then, are there any farms in the city? He asked Jaya. She laughed and thumped her stick on the ground. Farms? There are no farmers here. We are rag pickers. So then she made it clear that there are no farms because there are no farmers here in the city. And she said that we are rag pickers and we pick the rag, rubbish, you can say. Rag pickers, see my sack full of things I collected. Collected from where? Asked Velu. From rubbish bins, where else? You collect rubbish? Velu had never heard of such a thing. He was very young, so he had never heard about the hardships. Maybe now you can see the different types of hardships faced by children of village and city. So he said that he had never heard about such kind of, you can say, profession, such kind of work before. A blockhead. It is not any rubbish. Only paper, plastic, glass, such things. She said that I don't collect rubbish. मैं बिल्कुल कूड़ा करकट नहीं उठाती हूँ. I just collect paper, plastic, glass, such things. We sell it to Jam Bazaar Jagu. She said then later on we sell it to some junk dealer. Okay, like there are shops who buy these things. Velu was puzzled. Velu was puzzled. He had heard of people throwing away rubbish, but why would anyone want to buy rubbish? Yes, definitely he had heard about that. Okay, people throw it, but he had never heard that people buy rubbish also. Who's Jam Bazaar Jagu? Why is he buying all this? You think he buys it for show? He sells it to a factory. Come on, I don't have time to waste like you. Velu did not move. He hadn't run away and come to this new place to dig through garbage bins. Jaya poked at him with her stick. So he was shocked because he hadn't come, he hadn't left his house to do such kind of thing. According to him, it was dirty work. Look here, she shouted. If someone gets there before us, we don't get anything. Don't just stand there posing. Big hero, I'm trying to help you. Who filled your stomach today? So she was asking him to hurry up and do the work quickly. Velu scratched his head and sighed. I'll do it for now, he thought, until I find a better job. So he wasn't happy with the job, but he said, okay, I'll do the job now for time being. And then he said that definitely later on, whenever he would find a new job, then he would switch to other thing. That's all. Baki time is over. So